parts that you're going to need for this are available from a vendor called All Wheel Drive Tech. Please note that we are not in any way affiliated with these guys. We're not getting paid. This is not an advertisement. It's just a place that I found that I ordered them from. And not only did all the parts arrive as advertised and they worked well, they came quite quickly, especially considering they shipped from overseas to the U.S.
Yeah. In the words, he's like, okay, at 1:30, I torqued those things to...
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
You want to give it a switch mix?
I torqued the sliding block fasteners at 15 foot-pounds, springs. That's the only thing he gives a torque spec for.
These, right?
The sliding block fastener, that's 15 foot-pounds. It's not a lot, dude.
Alright, so you want to do
Yeah, he's loading them, so I just think I'm distracted, so whatever you think it needs, minus a little bit.
Alright, full of it. Alright, that's on. This, we're gonna... Oh, God.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna wipe that off. That's got some good wear on it. We don't want that.
Yeah, that's the only one I don't want to. I find it odd that yeah, you couldn't get that with it. I mean, next time you hold it.
This whole doohickey, oh God.
Did you just break it?
No, will you stop asking me if I broke stuff? I haven't broken, I only broke one, two things.
And you see, it's simple, really.
It's simple, really.
Just goes together just like that. I think that's the new chain. That might be the old one. I don't remember.
That's the one. I know this doesn't go anything down. That's how far down it needs to be.
Smooth as butter.
So let's just see what that kind of looks like. Oh, see, so this needs to be touching the yellow guide.
Okay.
That's basically what I wanted to see, you know.
Alright.
That's cool, really.
Woo! You got it. With it.
Fragile piece. Yep, perfect. Da! Ha ha!
There we go.
Alright.
I'm not really pressing mine.
You're not.
Because it doesn't feel like it just dropped in. You put it in before. I think you should probably put it in. You think it's gonna be under? It's gonna be under tension, isn't it? That's what's gonna make it weird.
Well, that's why in the video he like bops it.
You think it's ready for bopping?
I do. No, let's do this. Let's do this one more time, but this way, so that I can feel it.
Wait, hold on, sorry.
Yeah, it's just the. So nice and easy. Wait, you need to come up a little bit. Okay, you don't all the way. You see yours all the way down.
Do you want me to put
No,
it?
no, don't put yours all the way down.
Okay.
In fact, come up a little more. Oh, go down a bit.
Oh. Oh no, this one needs. It sounds like it's touching over here for sure. Can you do the snappy snap thing? The little springy thing?
Oh yeah. Oh no.
There it goes. We think that's normal. We don't know.
So that's how it was when we took it apart.
Yeah.
Except it was less springy.
Yeah.
It is definitely more springy now. And it's stuck to this. Dude, we are never, ever going to be able to get that back on.